back.
St. Joseph's Academy of Nursing celebrated World Environment Day at Umtrao Ribhoi district today. This year's theme is Land Restoration, Desertification and Drought Resilience. A.L. Hek, Minister of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary of Meghalaya, attended as the chief guest, along with Sir Lee Dengdo, headman of Umtrao. In his speech, Hek expressed concerns about climate change and global warming, urging efforts to plant trees to help preserve nature. Following the event, the Institute initiated a tree planting campaign in the Umtrao area. In Jowai West Jaintia Hills, also, the World Environment Day was observed.
Today the whole world we are facing the global warming. Why this global warming? Because it is abused by our human. We are human beings only, we are abusing the nature. But we are so kind, we are so thanks to God, He is so kind to us, has given us a beautiful state with the greenery, the waterfall, we have the lake, we have so many things, which is very, very kind to us.
A house in Pahamri